Hello, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from Bull Stock Info. Today's video looks at some of the stocks featured on bullstock.info that look promising for trade for Wednesday, July 22nd. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. Alright, first up on our video will be a look at a bullish engulfing chart pattern. Let's go back and take a look at MNKD, Mankind Corporation. Start of May, we had a gap up and a nice positive move. You can see the 8 exponential moving average, your dashed line, providing support. Your next line is your gray line, the 20-day moving average. Nice trading area there. The blue line, the 50-day moving average, rising right along with it. Then we kind of get some sideways consolidation. We fall through the 20 down to the 50-day moving average, your blue line. And for the past 4 days, 5 days if you count the bullish candle above the 50, we've been hugging right along that 50-day moving average, providing some support for us, if you will. Today we get the bullish engulfing signal of the candlestick after almost a 3% move today, and closing just below the rising 50-day moving average and the falling 8 exponential moving average. What we'd like to see out of this bullish engulfing, with stochastics coming out of the oversold area, as you can see, rising up. What we'd like to see here for Mankind is to open and have some positive movement above that 50-day moving average and the 8 exponential moving average, and stay above there. Then we're going to have to fight through the 20-day moving average there at the $7.94 mark. But it's had a nice gap up, nice run, kind of rested a little bit, pulled back. Now we'd like to see it take off again, and if we can kind of do that, we should. If we can get through the next line of resistance and the 20-day moving average, we should have a nice continuation of the positive movement there for Mankind bullish engulfing signal. Alrighty, take a look at a couple of bullish kicker signals. We can see how today's candlestick open, gapped up, kicked up, if you will, for AKRX, a drug stock, very inexpensive stock. As you'll notice, very kind of nasty looking chart. Did kind of come up, sideways consolidation, went up, fell back down again. But notice right here, after it got through the 50-day moving average, it kind of consolidated and came down, trading right along the 50-day moving average, providing support. Got a kicker, something happened, we moved up, came back down, the 50 again provided support. We're back up, another kicker today, almost a 17% gain on this inexpensive stock. Stochastics are approaching the overbought area, but we still should have some room to go for the stock. A huge volume day for the stock, definitely higher than average volume on the stock today for bullish kicker signal AKRX. And we'll take a look at another bullish kicker for SPPI, also a drug stock, SPPI. Take a look back here, start of May. We had a nice positive run again. The 8 exponential just moving right along. The 20-day, your gray line, 20-day moving average providing support. Look at that red candle there that came down. Support on the 20. The next day we had a bullish harami. Took right back off again. Then came down through the 20. 50-day moving average acting as support. Back up we go again. Little rest, little consolidation. Hopefully this run is back up again. Look at stochastics, midway point, still plenty of room to run. So we could look for this type of movement again, coming out of this little scoop pattern almost, if you will. So SPPI, another bullish kicker signal. And we will conclude this video with a look at a 3 outside up. 3 outside up. The 3 outside up candlestick pattern is a candlestick that confirms the previous day's bullish engulfing chart pattern. Today was a big candlestick, about a 3% move in comparison to other candles. Take a look at the previous day of trading, though. That green candle engulfed the previous red candle. So we had the bullish engulfing yesterday. Today we get the 3 outside up pattern, which is a 3 candlestick chart pattern. But today's candlestick is essentially confirming that bullish engulfing from yesterday. The red line, your 200-day moving average, kind of acting as support. We get the move up through the 8 exponential moving average, so we closed above that. That's good. Look here, we've got this over on the left-hand corner, or not left-hand corner, but left side of the chart. See the top there, that big red candle? And then look, the big gap down. Stocks always look to try to fill a gap, so we'd like to try to fill this gap. Look where we are right now, close at 32.94. Good profit potential up to the 20-day moving average, which is your gray line, which happens to consolidate with the high of that gapping down candle, so that would be a good first profit target margin. Then the 50-day moving average is a good secondary target, because it also has some resistance if you look back across the chart for ILMN. ILMN, our 3 outside up chart pattern, chart signal for today. And that's going to do it for our video, compliments of bullstock.info. If you would like to receive a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every day, just visit the website www.bullstock.info. You can watch us on Twitter, twitter.com/bullstock. You can also visit the website bullstock.info, and you can receive the videos and the free chart patterns by RSS feed if you have an RSS reader. So again, thanks for watching. The website www.bullstock.info.